morning, everyone. I came on here to talk a little bit about Facebook and give you some, tips, some things you should post, things you shouldn't post, where to post at, and also the links that Facebook accepts as well as the links that Instagram accepts. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm going to tell you right now, okay? This is my Facebook page, my personal page. Okay, that's my background picture. I chose my picture. Um, So let's scroll through here and see. Okay, so if you're gonna post on your if you post anything on your personal page, don't put anything business related. Okay, put pictures of you, your family. Put up inspirational quotes. Say good morning, stuff like that. You guys, if you guys want to market, you want to create a fan page, and I'm gonna show you my fan page that I have set up. I'm just gonna show you this as an example. You want to create a fan page, okay? And this is the fan page. This is my fan page. I haven't been on here in a while, but this is the fan page that I create. And you want to create a fan page. You want to come on here, fill out your information. And what you want to post on here is if you are an online entrepreneur, you have a business, you want to start posting videos, make videos, and put them in your Facebook fan page. And that's what you want to post in your fan page. Nothing but things about your business. You could put things about your business, your family, all that, okay? So that's what a Facebook fan page is for, okay? That's what it's for. If you guys want to post anything business related, you come on here, create a fan page, and put it on here, okay? This is what I did. I put all of my business related opportunities on my fan page. Now, I have not marketed this in a while or promoted on here at all, but that's what I've done. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to create a fan page. You click on create, click on page, and is this a business or a brand, or are you a business or a brand, or are you going to be a community or a public figure? I'm not going to go through and show you how to do this yet. It's going to be a separate video to when I do that. But that's what you do. You click on create, you click on page, come over here. You're a business or brand. You choose, you click on get started, and you pick your page name, the category. I would choose entrepreneur, and you click continue and go set up your page. Okay. So let's go back to my page so I can show you guys something. Okay, so you guys need to know when you're posting in your pages what links Facebook accepts. Because if you post a link that they don't like, they will take it off. Okay, so make sure when you post like a link, okay, let me show you this. If you have a website that you want to send them to, this is how you do this. Okay, you come over here, you click on, let's see, let me see. You can click on learn more. Okay, click on learn more, and you hit next. And then you want to come over here to where it says website link. Click on that. Put your website link in here and then save it. And when you do that, the button is going to take them to your website. All you do is click on the button and test button, and it takes you to the website that you link to it. That's how you do that, okay? And the links that Facebook accepts is tinyURL, okay? So what you're going to do is come over here, go to tinyurl.com. Okay? These are the links that Facebook accepts. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I had to find this out myself from some Facebook training I watched. So what you do is find a long link to your website or to a business, enter it in here, and click on Make Tiny URL, and there you go. Okay? So I wanted to show you guys that because you guys need to see that this is the link that Facebook accepts, tinyURL. Okay? Remember that, you guys. Remember, tinyURL is what Facebook accepts. Okay? Now for Instagram, Instagram accepts Bitly. Bitly. Okay? So Instagram accepts Bitly. So look at this. This is Bitly. You guys can come over here and sign up for a free account with Bitly, and you guys can start. Bitly is good to have because it tracks your links to see what works and what doesn't. So you guys can come over here to bitly.com, sign up for an account, and you guys can track your links to see how well they're doing, okay? So Instagram accepts Bitly only, okay? Don't forget that. Facebook accepts tinyURL, Instagram accepts Bitly, okay? And another thing I want to show you before I get off here is, I don't know if you guys know this, but Canva is a very good place to come if you want to do a Facebook a cover photo. It's already sized. You don't have to size it. Okay, everything's sized for you. If you want to do a Facebook post or anything like that, if you want to do a YouTube thumbnail, everything's good to go for you. Okay, so Canva's a good place to go. So that's how I was able to get this image here without having to constantly go back and change the numbers because it has to be a certain size. So I was able to use Canva for this. Okay. So Canva is another one you guys want to try out because it really works. And I will make a video showing you guys how to use Canva, how I use it, because I make my thumbnails for YouTube using Canva. Okay. Canva is very, very, very useful. You guys will find that out. So to recap, what you want to post on your personal page is you can post inspirational quotes, you can say good morning, and you can put up videos about your family. Whatever you do, do not post anything about your business on your personal page. Okay? It's not for that. Okay? So if you want to do anything for your business, come over here to your fan pages and start promoting your business in your fan page. Make sure you invite your friends, invite people, and just come on here and custom your page. You guys can do a lot of stuff for the fan page. You guys can also go on YouTube and look up Facebook fan pages and get more information on that. Okay, so I'm probably going to be putting together a Facebook group shortly. I don't know. I'm still deciding that, but I will be putting together a Facebook group shortly. I just have to, get some more information on it, do some more research, and then most likely I'll be putting up a Facebook group. Okay? So, but yeah. So if you guys want to post anything about your business, create a fan page. If you want to post links on here, anything, you need to use tinyURL links only. If you want to use Instagram and post links on Instagram, only link that they accept is Bitly. If you guys want to know how to, find your Facebook cover photos, you go to Canva and you can create them specifically from Canva. You can change the color. You can find a picture, a background picture. They have free templates you can use. So I just wanted to make this video. And if you stayed to this far through the video, watched it all the way through, I have some free gifts I want to give to you guys. They'll be in the description below. It's just my way of saying thank you for, you know, subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I make a new video. Take care, and I hope these tips helped you guys to become a better marketer with your social media sites.